gypsy rhyme. Yellow clover and tangled blossoms in a meadow silly green, where she held me to her bosom, just a boy of 17. I recall a gypsy woman, silver spangled in her eyes, ivory skin against the moonlight, and the taste of life's sweet wine. Soft breezes blow from fragrant meadows, still the darkness in my mind. Oh, gentle woman, you sleep beside me, little know who haunts my mind. Gypsy lady, I hear your laughter, and it dance in my head, while my tender puffin babies slumber softly in their beds. I recall the gypsy woman, silver Spain